The armed forces of the Russian Federation and Ukraine reported the front-line progress. The armed clashes had occurred in some regions May 26. In Kupyansk direction, ground attack and army aviation and artillery of the Zapad group of Russia forces have engaged the units of the armed forces of Ukraine close to Masyutovka, Timkovka, Krasnoye Pervoye, and Novomlynsk, Kharkov region. One sabotage and reconnaissance group of the armed forces of Ukraine has been disabled close to Novosyolovskoye, Lugansk People's Republic. More than 45 Ukrainian servicemen, 2 armored fighting vehicles, 4 motor vehicles, 1 Msta-B howitzer, and 1 US-made TPQ-36 counter-battery radar station have been destroyed during the day, said Igor Konashenkov, the Russian Federation Defense Ministry spokesperson. An ammunition depot of the 92nd Mechanized Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces has been hit close to Stelmakovka, Lugansk People's Republic. The Russian Federation Defense Ministry spokesperson Igor Konashenkov said in total, the armed forces of Ukraine lost 429 fighter jets and 235 helicopters, 4,353 unmanned aerial vehicles, 424 air defense missile systems, 9,310 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles. Also 1,100 combat vehicles equipped with MLRS, 4,919 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 10,481 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation. The other side from Kyiv, the armed forces of Ukraine in an official statement May 27 said Russia lost 480 servicemen in a single day, including 3 tanks, 7 armored fighting vehicles as well as 22 artillery units and 31 drones. Ukraine also showed footage of destroying Russian armament near Bakhmut. Air reconnaissance of the DPSU detected the movement of a group of enemy infantry near Bakhmut, and the artillery unit finished the job. In total, Moscow lost 206,200 servicemen, 3,799 tanks as well as 310 fighter jets and 296 helicopters. Russia and Ukraine conflict has been lasting for 458 days. There is still no peace settlement between two sides. Ukraine and NATO dismissed Chinese peace plan set to benefit Russia. Western officials pushed back against China's calls for an immediate ceasefire in Ukraine during the European tour of Chinese Special Representative for Eurasian Affairs, The Wall Street Journal reported.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.